So I'm here with my brother, and we're just walking to the store that I always go to, Harry's or the farmer's market place. Not always, but sometimes I do. And we're gonna go get not different glues, but like we're gonna get Dollar Tree glues, like they order from the Dollar Tree. And oh, my neck hurts. And we're gonna test it out for slime. And if it does work, but I'm still gonna go to Walmart because they have cheaper glue there. Because like Elmer's glue is way cheaper, but like where I'm going right now, Elmer's glue is like $1. No, Elmer's glue is like $1, almost $2. And Crazy Art glue is like almost $1.50. So I'll be back when we are there. So we're here, and I'm going to this. They have, oh my god, they have a lot of glue. Oh my god. They have Elmer's wood glue, which is $5. Gorilla glue is $5. Glue all for the small bottle is $4. Glue all for the big bottle is $6. Then they have like this.
Here one's for $2.
For $2. Clear glue for $3. This is the kind of glue I'm talking about. And then this glue for $1. And then this glue for $1.39. And then Elmer's glue.
I'm going with this one
for $1.59. So what I'm gonna get this glue, see if this works, and this glue, see if this works.
so that's $3.
Yeah, $3. I'll have $3 left. And well, they have shaving cream. Harry, how much is your shaving cream?
That one may be expensive, but you can get $1 cheaper one though.
$1 cheaper?
No, it's for $1 over there. Put that back. Put the $1 aisle back.
Oh, okay. So I guess they have $1 aisle for the shaving cream. Yeah, they have it. Oh, no, this ain't no shaving cream. Oh, right here? This 99 cent?
Yeah, it's a gel.
Okay, this is what I need.
Okay.
Thank you, Harry.
Otherwise, we have this one too.
No, I like gel.
$2.
And then we're gonna come over here. See, and then they have like wood glue, like just regular wood glue. Watch, Bella, can you pick it? I have to show the camera. It's like regular wood glue, turn it around, see? And then they have a bunch of school supplies, but I don't know how to make glue sticks on. So, let's go. We're gonna pay. Is there any little containers? I need to find containers, bub. Help me find containers. Like little containers. Sorry. I'm just looking for like little containers. There's a container right there. Oh, there's containers right here. I found containers. Ask Harry how much this is. Sorry. Harry, how much are these? $1. Okay.
Yep, $1 left.
I know. Bella, watch this. I'm gonna go see what else I can get for $1. No, you have to take off. And then I'm going over here, and because there's like a little bit more containers, so then I'm gonna get, but they don't have no other colors but green containers. So, I'm gonna get, no, I'll save that. I'm gonna get something to drink for my $1. Bubba, what kind of soda do you want? Because they're 2 for $1, I believe. I'm getting a Pepsi. There's Squirt, there's only Pepsi and Squirt.
What's this?
It's, yeah, I don't know. Let me see. It's,
Whoa, this is
ruby red. It's like, hurry up, pick. So, and I'm just gonna get something in this. Hurry. Okay, so I got this. Oh yeah. I got this. See if that works. I got this.
I got this.
I got 4 containers for $1. Green containers. Soda. And soda. For walking all the way here. So I'm going to pay after he comes. So, should I get more of these or should I get these? No, these are like more for like big stuff. I'm going to get more containers. Should I get more containers? No, I'm going to get something then because I'm thirsty. So, we're just going to get the sodas. So we just got the sodas back. So I only got 4 containers, but I also got containers at home, so
We got taps.
okay. So this is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus that's 35 cents in taps, so.
Yeah, I want the 10 cents because I could get a pack of gum for us.
You never know, hold on.
No, they're like that big.
I know, but you never know how much the taxes are going to come out to this. So I'm just waiting for him. So we're back, and we're not back, but like we're walking out of the store. And we got the glues! And the containers, and the shaving cream. Finally my own shaving cream, so my mom can stop yelling at me for using hers. You can get your soda, babe, and 2 sodas.
Yeah, but which glue are we using first?
I don't know. So, hope you guys like this video. Subscribe and comment down below if you think the School Smart glue, the actual dollar glue, and the what's it called? Bubba, can you get the clear glue out? Like it's a clear glue, but it's not Elmer's clear glue. It's like a different kind of glue. Like this kind of glue.
It costs $500.
This glue, or where's the other glue? Or this glue work? Comment down below which one you think will work. So
because I don't want mine to shake up.
where are you at? I can't see you, bub. Oh, wait. There you are. He's drinking a soda. I'm about to drink my soda too. But I can't carry and drink my soda and have a phone in my hand. So, let me see my soda. I can't get my... So, I just got my Pepsi. Pepsi's a bomb. So, like, subscribe, comment down below which glue you think will work.
It's gonna explode a little.
And bye!